The RICO Act, the racketeering, is basically a group of people that work together, conspire together to form a criminal enterprise. And it got to be multiple people, and they've got to be doing multiple different things to make a racketeering charge. And this particular racketeering charge, according to the Fulton County prosecutor, was vast. In fact, they listed 180 plus different acts that they allege that Young Thug and his other co-defendants were taking part in, all part of the YSL, or Young Slime Life group that he has accused of being part of.
In 2022, the unexpected happened. Young Thug, along with 27 others associated with YSL, was indicted under the RICO Act, accused of being a part of a criminal organization involved in a range of illegal activities. The charges were serious, alleging conspiracy to violate the RICO Act, murder, armed robbery, and more. The case captivated the nation, raising questions about the blurred lines between art and reality. As the case unfolded, Young Thug's defense team argued that YSL was purely a musical collective and that the charges were exaggerated. The prosecution, however, painted a different picture, portraying YSL as a violent street gang. The courtroom drama highlighted broader issues within the criminal justice system, sparking debates about racial profiling and the treatment of hip-hop artists. Today, the YSL RICO case remains a pivotal moment in the intersection of music and law. As Young Thug awaits his fate, his influence on the culture continues to resonate. The story of Young Thug and YSL is a testament to the complexities of fame, art, and justice. Regardless of the outcome, Young Thug's journey from the streets of Atlanta to the global stage is a story of resilience, creativity, and relentless pursuit of dreams.
Breaking news right now in the YSL RICO trial involving Atlanta rapper Young Thug. And less than 24 hours after replacing the original judge, the newly appointed judge has recused herself. Judge Shakura Ingram was randomly selected to lead the trial after the former judge, Earl Glanville, was removed yesterday. Ingram says she is removing herself from the case due to a prior professional relationship with a deputy involved in the case.
Recusal in the judiciary system is a vital process that ensures fairness and impartiality in legal proceedings. It involves a judge voluntarily stepping down from a case to maintain the integrity of the judicial system. In high-profile cases, like the YSL RICO case, the decision of judges to recuse themselves can have significant implications, influencing public perception and the course of the trial. Judges may choose to recuse themselves from a case for several reasons. These include potential conflicts of interest, personal biases, prior involvement with the parties involved, or any circumstance that might lead to questions about their impartiality. In cases with significant media attention, like the YSL RICO case, even the appearance of bias can be sufficient reason for recusal to preserve public trust in the judicial process.
Be taking over as judge of the YSL RICO trial. Rapper Young Thug and 5 co-defendants are accused of running a criminal street enterprise.
This is the second time in 2 days a new judge has been appointed to take over the case. Fox 5 anchor Christine Spiro joins us from the live desk to break down the latest dramatic turn in this high-profile trial. Christine.
Courtney and Tom, this is just the latest twist in a case that has spanned the better part of the last 2 years, from a lengthy jury selection to Young Thug's lawyer going to jail for contempt to now a third judge being put on the trial. Superior Court Judge Paige Reese Whitaker is now the woman presiding over the case. Here's what we know about her. She's a former Fulton County prosecutor who also worked at the State Attorney General's office. She's been a judge in Fulton County since 2017. Whitaker takes over less than 48 hours after Judge Shakura Ingram was randomly assigned to the case. Judge Ingram recused herself from the case this morning, citing the arrest of her former deputy as the reason.
The YSL RICO case, involving rapper Young Thug and several associates, has garnered widespread attention due to its high-profile nature and the serious charges involved. The charges include conspiracy, murder, and other criminal activities under the Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organizations Act. The complexity and gravity of the case have placed it under intense scrutiny, both from the media and the public. In the context of the Ysl Rico case, the recusal of judges has been a topic of interest. A judge who has previously presided over related cases or investigations involving YSL or its members might recuse themselves to avoid any conflict stemming from prior knowledge or rulings. This ensures that the judge does not have preconceived notions that could influence their judgment. In high-profile cases like the Ysl Rico case, the extensive media coverage can exert undue pressure on judges. If a judge feels that the media scrutiny or public opinion might compromise their ability to remain impartial, they might opt for recusal to maintain the integrity of the proceedings. The recusal of judges in the Ysl Rico case would have several impacts. Finding a replacement judge could delay the trial, prolong the judicial process, and increase the burden on the judicial system. While the recusal is a measure to ensure fairness, it can also lead to speculation about the reason behind the judge's decision, potentially affecting public perception of the case. On the positive side, recusal reinforces the commitment to judicial integrity, demonstrating that the court prioritizes fairness and impartiality above all else. The decision to recuse underscores the importance of maintaining impartiality and public trust in the justice system. By stepping aside when necessary, judges uphold the principles of fairness and objectivity, ensuring that justice is served without prejudice.